The outdoors. And a diaper. Okay, so let me do an intro. Hi, my name's Bonnie. And today, we're gonna go, pile! Whee! Oh, a Nerf gun. I can whack somebody with that. No, that's too bad. Diaper boy! He has a diaper. By the way, go check out his account. Oh yeah, whatever. I have no idea what's going on. I mean, I have no idea what's going on. Bushes! Whee! Whee! I'm gonna poop in his yard because I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I put my diaper back on. You always had your diaper on. Oh. Well, I guess I just pooped my pants again.
Yeah, I have a diaper.
Whee!
I'm trying not to pee
This is turning into a show because there's random laughing coming out of nowhere.
It's coming from me, bro.
That's the audience. Or whatever. Whee! All right. Let me explore some things and tell you what things are. Over there is a mailbox. The best mailbox ever. Best mailbox ever.
Dude, don't upload that now.
Don't worry, it just says Coolot.
Now.
That's not my house. That's not my house. Don't. I swear to God, I will call the police if you come to me.
Yeah, if you come on this road, okay, point it towards me.
I'm gonna call the police.
If you point it towards this road, I swear we will call the police.
Cause we just do videos for fun, you know.
And we try our best not to get these things in it.
Yeah.
But sometimes it happens. This looks gay. I'm gonna take this out now.
Okay.
Every time Scarfat. Ah! I'm totally not gay.
Okay, that's something. Let me give a thumbs up to somebody.
Then it looks like you're trying to hitchhike.
I'm not hitchhiking. I dare, if one of you text a comment that to Bonnie, I will do a comment answer video with Bonnie.
It's called a Q&A, idiot.
Oh yeah, I will do a comment.
Just to know, I am the real Bonnie and that's stupid Bonnie.
Yeah, I'll just do.
Do your parents know we're out here?
Yeah.
Do they care?
They don't care. All right. Oh, I bet there's horsies. Horsies.
Try not to cover that. Get the
Oh,
license plate.
horsies.
Cover the license plate with your
It's a horsey. Horsey. It's that white thing. Horsey. Okay. Okay, Okay. Okay. There's a tree. That's a tree. That's what the tree is called.
I'm Dweeb.
Yeah.
My name is Dweeb. My name is Dweeb.
And there's a pole. An internet pole.
That's not an
And there's a cool car
That's
that
not
you...
an internet pole, stupid. That's a power line.
Oh, duh.
Yeah, you didn't know that. I swear to God, you didn't know that.
This dude has a cool car.
Bonnie,
What?
you're an idiot.
I am an idiot. Duh. And there's a mailbox. That's where your mailbox is. It's a mailbox.